Tapos nung bumalik siya, nagpagulog kami. Tapos may bagyo ulit. Ay niya. Very modern.
You need to be at the Treasury point at 9 o'clock. The time for the show, or for the, you could say, the concept will be at 9. So make sure always to reach the Treasury at 9 o'clock. If you ask your mind how many kilometers or a mile you're gonna walk from now to the Treasury, it is like 2 kilometers or a mile and a half. The time to finish this walking distance is like half an hour. So from now you have some minutes or few minutes extra time for picturing on the way in. But in case you want to look up the stars and moon, don't forget your steps down to avoid stumbling. Got it? Well, if you need anything down, don't hesitate to ask me or to call me. My name is S-A-L-E-H. That is my name. If you need anything down in front of the Treasury, don't be hesitate just to call me. Or say Indiana Jones, I come to you. Are you ready? Yeah! Attack!
Ito.
Dito sa right, actually, dito pyramid sa left. Sa right.
Yo. Maganda siguro to pag full yung moon. Although bright naman. Ang butas. Yung guide na ano, pinapaupo niya sa bench. Ang galing.
Welcome, desert wanderers. Come and hear this ancient tale, hidden in the silent sands of time, buried in this lifeless desert's vale, where life once was thriving in its prime. As brief as the short desert roses bloom, a city carved in sand, rock and stone, by hands of tribesmen built it grew, making its tale of beauty known.
Oo. Grabe talaga yung Yoshi dito. Masyadong madami.
Yes, kasi pero I feel like the difficulty was high because madilim. Are we in Turkey? Upstairs. Eto pa pala.